This triangle has an area of 100 square centimeters. A larger triangle is made. All the sides are increased to 3 times their original length. The area of the larger triangle is... Okay, so this triangle has an area of 100 square centimeters. Now, we have to make a triangle where each side is 3 times longer. Let's draw one here, just so we can show it up diagrammatically. Now, although this isn't to scale, you can see that we have a much larger triangle now. Now, this area before was 100, but this larger triangle has an area of question mark. But we know that the length of all the sides are 3 times longer than before. Now, the relationship between area and length is a little bit different. You must realize that if, for example, we have a square, and we'll show this with a square. We have a small square here, where all the sides are 1. Then we have a bigger square here, where all the sides are actually 3. The area of this is 1, whereas the area of this is actually 9. So, the relationship as you multiply by 3 doesn't actually multiply by 3. So it's not actually 300. Some of you might think that since all of the sides are 3 times longer, that the shape would be 300 centimeters squared. But that's not correct. In fact, as you can see from here, the relationship between area and length of sides is a square relationship. So, since 2 sides both go up by 3 times, the original area is a 1/9 of the large final area. So, if our smaller shape, using this example, is 100, then our bigger shape will be 9 times that, or 900 centimeters squared. So our answer here should be C, 900 square centimeters.